That's wonder what's going on. S Gaming. What? Oh, sorry. S Gaming. Sorry, S Gaming. What? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing, dude? I'm trying to parkour. Ouch! Except I do not know how to parkour. No, 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 mommy. Can you help me? Sure, I can help you a little bit. I'm gonna do 15 minutes though for you. I'm only gonna do minutes though. Ah! I don't understand how to do this. Do this. Well, you need to. I don't know how to. Well, then how to. You know what? Why are we? Why are we? Why are we doing that? Why are you smashing your keyboard? Why are you keyboard? I don't know what you're using. This is you're playing on me. Dude, I'm playing with you. You're watching me play do it. Where are you? You're watching me play, dude. Right. I need to very sorry. I'm like this. I'm like smooth here. Yeah, and you guys can how about we just take this way? Wait, what do you think you're doing? Wait, what are you doing? I'm gonna take the short. I'm gonna jump. Dude, you can't land that. Oh yeah, yeah. Wanna bet? Wanna bet? I'll show you. I can jump. Hey! Told you. I don't even think you can ever do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me try one more time. Hey! I mean, you didn't do it the first time, but I'm pretty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm so cool. I'm so cool. Yeah. Okay. But just continue on with the game. Yeah, sure thing. Hiya! Wait, what do you... Wait. Wait a second. What are you gonna do? I can do it. I can do it. With that, you have a fly in your mouth. Really? You have a girlfriend, huh? Do you have a girlfriend? Oh, no, 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 I don't, no, I don't, no, I don't, no, 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 no. Nope, I do remember. Okay, so you really got this. You have a girlfriend though? Why didn't you have told me this? Because I thought it was gonna be embarrassing. You know what? I don't want you to tell anyone, please. Please. Oh wait. Oh no, that's no oh, I don't have a girlfriend. That so you don't have a girlfriend. That's you just have a flower in your mouth every time. I use it for girls just nothing. Just girls all they do is see me. I cover my flower because I like to. Look how you must have done this one! How you must have done it! I don't know. It's on you. Jump! Go! No! No! Maybe because you're bad at this. Maybe you're just maybe you're just bad at this. Shut up! Okay, I will. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to. You don't tell me what to do. I'll punch you. this thing now. I'm gonna punch off. Ugh. Oh no! Oh! Then I can only like crawl. I can only like crawl, dude. What the heck? Oh, really? Are you kidding me? I thought it was just gonna be like okay for you. Now I can barely. Now I can just crawl. You can just crawl. Yeah, I'm making you. Yeah, I'm making your voice. No, I can only crawl. Now I'm just gonna run at this. Yeah! No! 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 You're very bad at this. You know, as a matter of fact, I don't even think I can probably make this. Hey! Whoa! I did it! Now, don't be still. Don't fall. Okay? Don't fall. Don't fall. Of course I won't. Why would I fall? Why would I fall, dude? Who would fall? Ah! I was supposed to fall there, though. Okay, anyway, what do we do? What do we do? Wherever you want to go to. I'm just gonna jump in this. Yeah! Ah! Okay. Why am I stuck to this? Every time it hurts every time I do this. Why do you always me do this stuff? Oh, because you're my Roblox character. Okay, gosh.
How did you forget where you put them? Uriah?
I'm gonna have to. Huh? I'm gonna jump with this. It's okay. It's okay. Why can't you just do this though? Is this that hard? Why would I think this game? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So dumb. Do this! I can do this! I can run at it! This is steep! So why did I just jump there? Okay. Alright. Okay. I think I just have to run over there. There. Okay. Here I go! Yeah! That is...
Julian, have you seen Mom's Nike flip-flops? Where are they? Jalen had them.
Okay, maybe... Okay. Yeah. Hey, that's where I spawned. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh crud! Oh crud! Ah! I don't like this game. You don't like this game? You really don't like this game? How about we play something else then? I want to play something else. Wait, get rid of the game. Get rid of the game. Okay. Alright, so we're also gonna play design in it. And I'm gonna go get my buddy here. Get it, you're up. Yeah. What? Wait, what are you doing? This is a game called Design It. This is a game called Design It, so I'm gonna design you. Okay, but be quick. Cause we only have like 39 seconds. Hurry, 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 you can get that, and then you can, and then, you can, your shirt can be that, and your pants can be, I can't, these pants are not loading in. Oh my gosh, you cannot have that kind of shirt. That is a girl shirt. Okay, green shirt. You can have a green shirt. Okay, you can have a hat. You can have some sunglasses. You can get rid of these, and then we can have some sunglasses, and then we can just sunbit. Sunbit. You did not make me look that good. I do not look casual. Yeah, I definitely do not look casual. You got me wrong! That looks casual to me. What? Wait a second. Did you vote? Wait a second. Did you just vote, that Donald Trump guy? He does not look casual. Psh, who cares? That looks funny. Even the even behind him it looks funny. I wonder who's gonna win. I don't think it's gonna be us who's winning. And yeah, he won. I don't understand why he won, even though he doesn't even look casual. So you gotta make me look like a teenager. Okay, so I gotta be like angsty teen or something. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so keep on going. Oh, I think. Oh, wait. I'm gonna look up now. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh no, I gotta get rid of my hairs. I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. I don't think I should probably get that though. I don't think my skin should be that. I'm gonna make my body like that. Alright, you are a teenager. Wow, look. Why do I look like a teenager? Now this is the last round because we gotta make you look good. I think you need a pet dog. I need you to get a pet dude. You need that cool dog, dude. You need the cool dog. You need that cool dog. Teenage. Here's what I'm gonna call them. Teenage Pooter. Okay, that's his name. Teenage Pood. And there you go. That's my costume. That's my costume, everyone. I think I should go on top of the fountain for that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, so I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, hit that smash button, like this video or not, and I'll see you guys later. Have fun! Whee!